All right, Felicia, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, nice. Are you happy?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Today we will have assessment, the last chapter of this book. It's called third person. So I need you to present about one person. Who do you want to talk to?
My mom.
Okay, let's listen to you talking about your mom. 10 sentences ya. Ready? Three, two, one, action.
Hi, Miss. Today I want to tell you about my mom. My mom is Vietnamese.
Old? She is?
She is 27, 28 years old.
Mm. She is.
She is kind to me.
Mm.
She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. She likes she likes watch TV.
Can you repeat? She likes to.
She likes to watch TV.
Nice.
She likes to cook in the morning.
Nice.
She likes
Pretty up to you. What else?
she likes to help me.
She likes to help you. Okay, good. What else? She can.
Uh, she can
What can your mom do? She can.
cook.
She can cook. Can. She can.
She can
Speak Chinese maybe? Speak English?
she can speak English.
I am.
I am a fan of my mom. I love my mom. I think that's all. Thank you.
Nice. Very good. Now I will ask you some questions. You only
Okay.
need to answer it. Okay?
Okay.
Ready? Okay.
Mm,
Okay, now let's begin the Q&A. So, Felicia, do you have best friend?
yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Caroline.
Caroline. How is Caroline?
She is kind.
Mhm. Is Caroline confident to speak English?
Yes, she is.
Nice, very good. Uh, does your mom like to cook in the morning?
I yes,
She?
she does.
Okay. What does your mom like to cook in the morning?
Uh, chicken.
She likes
She like to cook chicken.
chicken. Do you like the chicken?
I like.
Yes, I
Yes, I do.
do. Okay. If this one, what does your mom like to do in the night?
Uh, sleep,
You can say it, but make it
sleep
complete. My
and
mom
watch. My mom likes sleep
likes to
or
sleep
to sleep
or
or watch TV.
if what doesn't your mom like to do? Apa yang mamamu suka? My mom doesn't like.
My mom doesn't like. I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, then now you can ask me questions. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Now let's go. Ask me questions. Start with do first.
Do you like your mother?
Yes, I do. I do like my
Do you
mother.
like your father?
Yes, I do. I like my father.
Is
Is
your mother is your mother beautiful?
beautiful? Yes, she is. She is really, really beautiful. How about your mom? Is your mom beautiful?
Yes, I do. Yes, she is.
Yes, correct. Okay, let's go. What else is?
Is your father handsome?
No, he is not. But don't tell my dad, okay? Okay. Next, what does?
What does your mom cook?
In the morning, my mom likes to cook boiled egg or omelette. Just a simple breakfast.
What does your mom eat?
Eat when? In the morning, in afternoon, or in the night, or every day? Kapan? When? Setiap
Uh,
hari. Every day. If every day my mom likes to eat grilled chicken, ayam panggang like that, grilled chicken. If your mom, what does your mom like to eat? How can you don't know? You are the doctor.
I don't see.
You don't see chocolate. Does your mom like chocolate? Oh no. Okay, and then say
Done.
what? I think.
I think that's all. Thank you.
Think very good. High five. Nice. Very good job.